Juju's in the craft room, come and see. It's Mama Juju crafting, chatting full of glee, playing her day away in her own.
Hey, my chickadees. Welcome back to the Back 40. Okay. It's been a while since I recorded a video doing this 100-day challenge, and I thought I just need to record a video. So, this is our Margaret Miller week 11 of our Margaret Miller weekly collage challenge for 2025 volume 5. We have our journal. She's gonna be a real fat chunky monkey. Look at her. She's looking so good. So good. And there's still so many possibilities for her. So I have our stuff for our challenge to fill in here. So I'm gonna bring you closer. Well, I was going to. I don't know where I put that remote during the last live. Huh. There it is. I'm telling you, this craft room is a disaster. Hold on to your britches, cause it's getting close. All right, doing this these lives has gotten this stuff all discombobulated. Okay, so I was gonna use this little card to stick in there. And our items is someone smiling, a vintage advertisement or illustration, an image of a granite color, a page or a piece of handwritten numbers, an architectural find or treasure, and a bonus is a word written in your favorite language. And Casey jumped up there on me, about scared me. Alright, so I'm going to glue this down because it didn't get glued down, and these were just a bunch of stuff. So we've got our base for our color. Alright, I have this, and I thought I would put this one. This is a lady we used during the live, and you know, she lost her arm during the divorce. I want to put this one. She's still smiling though. Look at her. She's still smiling. She's still holding her own. I thought I'd put that there, and then I would do this here like that. I wanted to put this behind here to have it kind of coming down like that. Then this one like this. And then I wanted to have the word explore like that. Now, I had these two I thought I was going to use, but it just doesn't go with it. And then I thought I would use her, you know, but that didn't. I just kind of think she deserves her own card since she gave it up. So, we're going to let her have her moment. Yes, we are. Now, I've got my neatest clear tacky. So the first one we're going to have to put down is this. And it's just kind of a scrap. Some I was tearing up during the live. I put that there. And then I'm going to put this. I got to be careful. This is some fragile paper. But it is great for collaging. I want to put it right there. Alright, and then I want to use this to put, I think I need to ink around her a little. Just give her a little bit of ink, just a little bit of love. And then put this. And put her like this. Because because I'm going to trim that side off. So she won't look so dismembered. And then this is a devil's very own washi. I hope everybody is doing well today and had a good weekend. Let's see. There we go. Okay, I had a good weekend. And then I'm going to bring this explorer right across here. Okie dokie. And then I'm going to trim this off. And that off. I think I want to round these edges so they don't look quite so sharp. And I like them. Let me know in the comments if y'all been doing the 100-day project or the mixed media march. Have you been having a heap of fun with it? Lord knows I have more fun than the law allows. Yep, I really have. So let me know how you've been doing and what you've been doing. Let's see, I've been learning a lot and playing a lot. Let's pull you back some now that we're finished with that. Hold on. Okay. Oh, I had something else I want to go there. Let's see. We got to give some love to this bat one back here. All right. Let's see. Where? Oh, where? Good. I like that. That kind of reminds me of the earth there with the explore word. I'm liking that. I am. Now, the question is, I'm just going to glue this bad boy. Just glue it straight down. Now, I'm a drink. Okay. I'm going to put the Fabri-Tac and use it. Because this is kind of a thick board with all that wonderful stuff on it. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Yes, I am. Alright, let's put that there. Okay, let's see. Alright, I am liking that. I think I need. Alright. I'm liking all of that, and I'm liking this side, and oh, I like the way they're standing on that. I'm liking that. We're going to put them down. Yes, we are. Let me put that there. I always do that. It never fails. I'm just so rough as corn cob. Look, that's kind of cute. The silhouette back there with that lady before I tore her face in half. Alright, we want him stepping off of this one onto that one. And then her stepping over. A minute, let me get him fixed. I can fix her. There we go. Her stepping that way. And her little arm coming out there. Here we go. There we go. Now, I saved it. I think I got them all glued down. Yep. And I think I need to glue this down so it won't cause any trouble. It's like she's holding that in her hand. All that worked out just peachy keen. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. Okay. Now, on the back here, we need to take this and stick it right there. Okay, and there we go. Let's put this back where it belongs. Look, Marty, I did that. So good. Alright, we have our week 11 and all the glues tops done and all the stuff put back where it belongs. And we have the week 11 there for Explorer. We have the smiling lady. We have our handwritten numbers. We have our illustration of a vintage thing there. We have our favorite language and a word in our favorite language. And we have the granite color back there. A little bit of it anyway behind all those fireworks exploding. And there we go. All right. I hope y'all have a wonderful week, and I'll see you on the next go round. Bye, my chickadees.